Welcome. If you're feeling wired, depleted, or like your body's been stuck in overdrive, this practice is for you. Together, we'll calm your nervous system, soothe your gut, and shift from survival mode into restoration. Let's begin. Close your eyes gently. Let your spine lengthen and your shoulders drop. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Hold for a moment. Now exhale slowly through your mouth. Again. Inhale calm. Exhale tension. With each breath, invite more softness in. Your body is listening. You're safe to slow down now. Bring your attention to your belly. Place a hand there if it feels comfortable. Notice any tightness, fluttering, or heaviness. Let your breath move all the way down to your gut. As you exhale, imagine tension leaving your body, like letting air out of a balloon. Now scan down through your body slowly. Jaw, neck, chest, belly, hips, legs, feet. Let each area soften with your breath. Now imagine your nervous system like a busy circuit board, overloaded, buzzing, blinking. Visualize a gentle hand reaching in, turning the switches off, one by one. Buzzing slows, lights dim, stillness returns. Feel your gut relaxing, your breath deepening, your system shifting from fight or flight into calm and care. You're not in danger. You're allowed to rest. Silently repeat after me. I am safe to slow down. I release the pressure I no longer need. My gut is calm. My energy is returning. Choose restoration over exhaustion. Begin to gently return to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers, stretch your jaw, and feel the ground beneath you. Carry this sense of calm with you. You've done something powerful by pausing, by breathing, by resetting. Thank you.